What a lifestyle we have on offer here today. A 2-bedroom apartment that's had a full refresh with amazing panoramic views out towards Middlehead and overlooking Balmoral. Located on the 7th floor, capturing a sunny northeasterly aspect, this refreshed 2-bedroom apartment is conveniently located on the corner of Bickle Road and Spit Road, offering easy access to all amenities. Entering the property, you are immediately greeted by overflowing natural light throughout and windows that frame the panoramic, gorgeous views of Middlehead, Middle Harbour and Balmoral. Moving through the property, there are 2 generous sized bedrooms, neat and tidy bathroom with a bath and a hallway that separates the living areas and the bedrooms. The property has just had new carpets and fresh paint and is ready to move in and enjoy, while still leaves a great opportunity to further renovate and add your own tastes and touches. Easy access to the garage is off Bickle Road and it is automatic. This property is absolutely perfect for first home buyers if you're looking to get into the prestigious Mosman market with incredible views, or whether you're an investor or whether you're upsizing or downsizing. This property really has it all and ticks all the right boxes. There is express city transport virtually on your doorstep and only a short distance to Balmoral Beach, Middle Harbour Yacht Club, Chinaman's Beach, Bridgepoint Shopping Centre and Mosman Village shops and cafes. This really is the complete package, and properties in prestigious locations like this don't last long. I look forward to seeing you at the next inspection.